Today we are going to learn about networking and also how do you build the relationships. By the end of this video, you are going to learn about the importance or significance of networking and how can you go for networking and also how can you build the relationships. So these things are very important in the freelancing journey, and if you want to become a successful freelancer, you need to focus on networking and also building these relationships. So let's begin our video. This is Ayyappa Sharma and I'm student career transformation mentor. You know, networking is very important for all the freelancers as well as those who want to start the freelancing journey, because you will have so many advantages. I will give you 5 key elements that shows that networking is very important for the freelancers. Number 1, you will get so many opportunities. If you have huge network, then there will be so many opportunities where you can find your freelancing project. Number 2, you can improve your knowledge. When you have huge networking, you will meet so many like-minded people, you will build connections with the other persons, due to which you can improve your knowledge. You will also understand what are the areas you need to focus on, in which direction you have to go. All this knowledge and awareness you will get because of networking. The third key element is you will get collaborations, because sometimes when you are in the network, some people may be there within the same skill, within the same niche and micro niche, and they are also doing the same kind of project that you are doing. So if you can go with collaborations with those people, you can work together, you can complete the projects together, you can go for partnerships, anything you can do because of collaborations. The fourth key element is the personal growth. When you are going for networking, the personal growth will be there because you will be attending so many kinds of events. You will be there with like-minded people, and that will improve your knowledge, that will improve your awareness, and personally you will evolve to some other person, and you will have so many skills those can be utilized to serve the clients. And the last and final key element, that is referrals and recommendations. So when you are in the network of people, then definitely referrals and recommendations will work out, because sometimes you want to have certain kind of project, but you want certain kind of referral. So some people may help you by referring you for that particular project, or they may refer to show some client, so that you will get so many projects in future, and also they will give you certain recommendations if required. And if you are in the right network, all these referrals and recommendations will help you for personal growth as well as in your career growth. Now let's move on to section number 2, that is how to network effectively. You know, I will share certain aspects which are very important so that you can network very easily. So one important aspect is you can network in online. So you can use any social media platform where you will have so many groups, so many communities, you can join them, and all the people who are in the journey of freelancing, those who are successful freelancers, as well as so many clients, those who want to have the help from the freelancers. So this becomes very easy for you to get the access if you are in the online platform. Second important aspect to go for networking effectively, that is attending the industry events. You know, sometimes you will get certain advertisements in online, as well as you will get paper advertisements where certain industries are conducting certain kind of events. Like those events may be related to science and technology, or maybe certain kind of events, so maybe top entrepreneurs and freelancers may visit those industry events. So if you address or attend those events, then definitely you will have more networking with so many people. You can share your contact details like email ID, mobile number, anything else, or visiting cards can be shared, so that in future you can contact them very easily if they are willing to take the work from you, as well as if you want to join someone else who are in the same niche of your skills. The third important aspect is joining the freelancing communities. You know, there will be so many communities which are exclusively related to freelancers. You can join communities in WhatsApp, you can join communities in Telegram, you can join communities in Facebook and Instagram. So all these communities also help you to build the connections, and also they help you to find the true potential clients, and also they will help you to find like-minded people, those who are in the same niche, those who are following the same skills, those who are doing the same kind of project. The fourth and final important aspect is networking events. You know, sometimes some kind of events will happen, as I said, not the industry events, but it's a networking events. Like some of the people will gather at certain location, or they find some place where they invite everyone. So if you get any such kind of opportunity, you need to utilize that, and you need to attend those networking events, and there also you can go for collaborations, you can share your contact details, you can find your clients or customers sometimes. So these are the things you need to follow to go for networking effectively. And now let's move on to section number 3, that is how can you build the relationships. To have the very good relationship, you need to remember certain important points. That is, you need to be very much authentic. Authenticity means you should be very much transparent to the other people, you should be very much humble, and you need to show the gratitude towards others, so because of your character you can build a strong relationship with others that will improve your personal growth as well as your freelancing career. Second important thing is nurturing the connections. When you are in the group of network and when you are in the group of so many like-minded people, when someone else gets the success in your network, you must able to appreciate them, you need to encourage them in whatever possible manner. You need to show your gratitude or your happiness towards them because of their success. So when you are showing your true nature to others, then definitely you will attract success in your life very easily. The third important aspect in building the relationships is reciprocity in action. So reciprocity in action means when someone is guiding you, when someone is following you, and when someone is encouraging towards your success, you should give back that particular happiness, that particular encouragement to others also. Because of that, you will attract success in your life very easily, and that will show your true character. And the fourth and last important aspect in building the connections as well as relationship is gratitude and recognition. So you need to be very much grateful all the time. You should be grateful for having a good network. You should be very much grateful for getting any kind of project, whether it may be a small project, whether it may be a large project, where they are paying less or more, doesn't matter. You should show your gratitude. You must be very much grateful because of having very good friends in your network. You must be very much grateful because of building a relationship with your client as well as the people in your network. If you show this gratitude every day, if you have this habit, then definitely you will become success in the freelancing journey. I hope you all understood the importance of networking and how do you go for networking, and also how do you build a relationship. So please like this video and also share this video to all your friends. Do subscribe and also comment to this video if you have any questions or queries, so that I will address those things in my next video. Thank you everyone.